guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, this is the same dishwasher I fixed last time, the Medea dishwasher. This time this tab is broken and I'm going to replace it. So first thing first, we need to open all these screws and get everything out. As you can see, this tab is broken. It's a hook like this. It's supposed to hook on when you close the dishwasher, and because it's broken, it cannot close, and if it don't close, the dishwasher won't work. I'm using a Ryobi drill with a hex head, and this should be able to open all the screws around the door. Let's do that now. So this is how it looks with the front cover out. Word of advice, if you have different size screws, just do something like this. Arrange them in order so you know what screws go where. Now I know there's two, the ones in the middle with the latch, there's two towards the end, and those two are at the end. So that helps you in putting things back. But here we have the latch. It's out, and you can clearly see here the broken tab right here. So I'm going to look this up on Amazon or eBay or wherever I can find it and have it shipped. Alright guys, so I just received the part, but it's the wrong one. This is the one on my dishwasher. As you can see, this is how it looks like. And this is the one that I just received. I'm just gonna try, see if it works. If it does, I might just keep it. I've connected the new one, which is the wrong one. It still fits. As you can see there, it fits. So I'm gonna put this back and I'm gonna try the dishwasher, see what happens. Here's the new part. I just put it in. I didn't put the back cover. So we're just gonna try it like this, see what happens. So far the light has come on in there. We're gonna try switch on the power here. Came on. Let me try run a cycle. Now, for the most important part, see if it's gonna work. So the light is blinking, but nothing's happening. I'm gonna disconnect it from the power. You'd almost like to reset it. I'm gonna see what happens. Is the power connection over here? Okay, so I just reset it by unplugging it from the power socket, and now we're gonna. Okay, that's a good sign. The sound is back. It was gone. So set it on quick. Actually, just to test it, let me just turn it on rinse. See if that will work. It's very interesting. It seems to be working. So I'm gonna put the cover back, run a full cycle, and just see how that goes. And I'll update you guys once I run a full test. Alright, the final update. I was able to run the dishwasher. As you can see, it ran fine, no issues. Everything's clean, everything dry. It ran because the soap got dispensed and the soap dispenser is open. So what I've learned from this is you don't necessarily need the exact door switch. As long as the one you get fits in here, you should be good. And that's how you put on a latch, door latch to a dishwasher. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel a lot. And thank you so much. See you on the next one.